Algorand value equivalent to 3.4159 rands a coin. The present cost range, 3.3761 3.4340. The earlier day close, 3.4212. The change was 0.0053, 0.15%. Reverse rate, ZAR to ALGO. Algorand cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Algorand cost expectation on Monday, April 24, cost 3.53 rands, high 3.78, low 3.28. Algorand figure on Tuesday, April 25, cost 3.40 rands, high 3.64, low 3.16. Algorand cost expectation on Wednesday, April 26, cost 3.25 rands, high 3.48, low 3.02. Algorand figure on Thursday, April 27, cost 2.90 rands, high 3.10, low 2.70. Algorand cost expectation on Friday, April 28, cost 2.95 rands, high 3.16, low 2.74. In multi-week Algorand gauge on Monday, May 1, cost 2.78 rands, high 2.97, low 2.59. Algorand cost forecast on Tuesday, May 2, cost 2.76 rands, high 2.95, low 2.57. Algorand gauge on Wednesday, May 3, cost 2.82 rands, high 3.02, low 2.62. Algorand cost forecast on Thursday, May 4, cost 2.88 rands, high 3.08, low 2.68. Algorand gauge on Friday, May 5, cost 3.01 rands, high 3.22, low 2.80. In about 14 days Algorand cost forecast on Monday, May 8, cost 2.94 rands, high 3.15, low 2.73. Algorand gauge on Tuesday, May 9, cost 2.96 rands, high 3.17, low 2.75. Algorand cost forecast on Wednesday, May 10, cost 3.04 rands, high 3.25, low 2.83. Algorand gauge on Thursday, May 11, cost 3.06 rands, high 3.27, low 2.85. Algorand cost forecast on Friday, May 12, cost 3.03 rands, high 3.24, low 2.82. In 3 weeks Algorand gauge on Monday, May 15, cost 3.03 rands, high 3.24, low 2.82. Algorand cost forecast on Tuesday, May 16, cost 2.92 rands, high 3.12, low 2.72. Algorand estimate on Wednesday, May 17, cost 2.98 rands, high 3.19, low 2.77. Algorand cost forecast on Thursday, May 18, cost 3.01 rands, high 3.22, low 2.80. Algorand estimate on Friday, May 19, cost 3.04 rands, high 3.25, low 2.83. In about a month Algorand cost forecast on Monday, May 22, cost 2.92 rands, high 3.12, low 2.72. Algorand estimate on Tuesday, May 23, cost 2.87 rands, high 3.07, low 2.67. Algorand value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Algorand cost expectation for April 2023. First and foremost cost at 4.02 rands. Exorbitant cost 4.37, while low cost 2.70. Found the middle value of cost 3.51. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 2.95. Change for April 26.6%. Algorand estimate for May 2023. To start with cost at 2.95 rands, excessive cost 3.27, while low cost 2.36. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.78. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.54, change for May 13.9%. Algorand cost expectation for June 2023. Before all else cost at 2.54 rands, excessive cost 2.54, while low cost 2.13. It arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.38. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.29, change for June 9.8%. Algorand conjecture for July 2023. Before all else cost at 2.29 rands, excessive cost 2.61, while low cost 2.27. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.40. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.44, change for July 6.6%. Algorand cost expectation for August 2023. Before all else cost at 2.44 rands, excessive cost 3.03, while low cost 2.44. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.69. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.83, change for August 16.0%. Algorand conjecture for September 2023. At the outset cost at 2.83 rands, excessive cost 2.83, while low cost 2.21. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.56. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.38. Change for September 15.9%. Algorand cost expectation for October 2023. At the outset cost at 2.38 rands, excessive cost 2.38, while low cost 1.86. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.16. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.00. Change for October 16.0%. Algorand conjecture for November 2023. At the outset cost at 2.00 rands, excessive cost 2.19, while low cost 1.91. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.04. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.05. Change for November 2.5%. Algorand cost expectation for December 2023. At the outset cost at 2.05 rands, excessive cost 2.55, while low cost 2.05. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.26. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.38. Change for December 16.1%. Algorand figure for January 2024. Initially cost at 2.38 rands. Excessive cost 2.38, while low cost 1.95. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.20. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 2.10. Change for January 11.8%. Algorand cost expectation for February 2024. Initially cost at 2.10 rands. Excessive cost 2.45, while low cost 2.10. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.24. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 2.29. Change for February 9.0%. Algorand figure for WAC 2024. Initially cost at 2.29 rands. Excessive cost 2.29, while low cost 1.79. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.07. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 1.92. Change for spring 16.2%. Algorand cost expectation for April 2024. Initially cost at 1.92 rands. Excessive cost 1.92, while low cost 1.50. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.74. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 1.61. Change for April 16.1%. ZAR to ALGO swapping scale equivalent to 0.2927 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.2912 minus 0.2962. The earlier days nearby 0.2923. Change for now plus 0.0004 plus 0.14%. ZAR to ALGO cost expectation for in the not so distant future and month. Rand to Algorand gauge on Monday, April 24, cost 0.283 coins, high 0.305, low 0.265. ZAR to ALGO forecast on Tuesday, April 25, cost 0.294